Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. Now you can close the case or do not close it. The most important that right now this earbuds is disconnected from your phone. You can check it at the Bluetooth or connected devices. So if you have iOS, you will see that it's not connected. And if you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, also meaning that your earbuds are disconnected. After that, you need to remove your earbuds from the charging case and your earbuds reconnect to your phone automatically, and as you can see we have connection. Sometimes it happens with devices that they don't want to reconnect automatically, then just tap at your earbuds after you remove it from the charging case. And with this method you can fix a lot of small trouble with your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!